Want your old car to run like new? You can do it. It's like finding hidden treasure under your hood. We'll unlock those secrets together. Get ready for a smoother, more powerful ride. This guide will help you revive your engine. You'll learn simple tricks. You'll learn how to find problems, and you'll learn how to fix them. Let's get started. Your engine is like your car's heart. A healthy engine means a happy car. It means your car starts every time. It means more power on the road, and it means fewer trips to the mechanic. Taking care of your engine saves you money. It also keeps your car running longer. Think of it as an investment. A little care goes a long way. Your car talks to you. Do you hear strange noises? Does your engine shake? These are signs something is wrong. Check your engine regularly. Look for leaks. Check the belts and hoses. If something looks off, get it checked. A mechanic can help you understand the problem. Spark plugs ignite the fuel in your engine. Worn-out spark plugs can cause problems. Your car might be hard to start. It might not accelerate smoothly. Replacing spark plugs is easy. You can do it yourself. Just make sure you get the right type for your car. Ask a mechanic or check your car's manual. Section 5, air filter. Let your engine breathe. Your engine needs air to run. The air filter keeps it clean. A dirty air filter chokes your engine. It reduces power and fuel efficiency. Replace your air filter regularly. It's cheap and easy to do. You'll notice the difference. Your engine will run smoother and with more power. Section 6, oil change. The lifeblood of your car. Oil keeps your engine lubricated. It prevents friction and wear. Old oil gets dirty and loses its effectiveness. This can damage your engine. Change your oil every 3,000 miles or as recommended by your car's manual. Use the correct oil type for your car. This is crucial for engine health. Section 7, fuel system. Keep it clean. Your car needs clean fuel to run smoothly. Over time, dirt and debris can clog the fuel system. This can lead to reduced performance and even engine damage. Use a good quality fuel system cleaner regularly. This helps remove deposits and keeps everything running smoothly. You can find these cleaners at any auto parts store. Section 8, regular checkups. Small steps, big rewards. Regular engine checkups are key to a healthy car. Think of it like going to the doctor for a checkup. It's better to prevent problems than to fix them later. Check your engine oil, coolant, and other fluids regularly. Look for leaks and listen for strange noises. Early detection can save you big bucks in the long run. Section 9. Keep that engine humming. Taking care of your car's engine is easier than you think. With a little effort, you can keep it running like new for years to come. Remember, a well-maintained engine means a happier, more reliable car. Don't ignore those strange noises or warning lights. A little attention today can prevent big headaches down the road. Keep those engines humming.